operating procedures, individual red tag system, and isolating devices acceptance procedures. Red tag shell be constructed to withstand the operating environment, be predominantly red and clearly visible, include a means of attachment to the isolating devices which is secure, be legible and understandable in order to effective and that is found illegible. He should refer to facility workgroup procedures for retagging. Be surely attached to the isolating devices so that they cannot be inadvertently or accidentally detached, and if found detached, they must be returned to the facility work group contact immediately. Red tag shall be attached to the isolating devices with non-reusable attachment that are attached by handle and self-locking and non-reliable with the minimum unlocking strength of no less than 22.6 kilo or about 50 lbs such as nylon can be located location
Sometimes see
description
we are
as
putting a tag, handles, and these all things, but also we are sometimes we are using a tie wire. Okay, this tie mostly you see in the tie that rope if we put to there properly locked, this one we cannot break easily. That one if we are using to there upside the tag, that one is also acceptable tag. This one lotto system. Yes.
the position of isolating devices, a unique identification number within the facility work group.
I was showing you tie wire.
The red tag master identify number when the master tag system is used. Whether the tag is an individual tag. Handwriting, danger do not operate. Okay. Handwriting. ये tags हैं. Computer generated sound.
Yeah, different tags you can see there.
The red tag master sheet.
This one is master sheet. We are putting when we put it to this day, time, what's the purpose, these are things coming to there.
Location listening.
The all tags location. Now you see there's a one motors, there's a tag. Yeah, this one. Valve, pump, and there's a proper tag system. Yeah. See now.
Which are pressure, suction, heat flow, and electrical.
That one is valve you see. You can lock that one.
What are the isolation devices for these energy sources? Discharge block value,
Yeah.
sucking block value, switch gear value.
Yeah.
What are the some hidden energy sources?
Yeah.
This is thermal form process, thermal form heat tracing, seal fuel pressure, fluid pressure. Isolating devices shell be designed and installed in order to isolate the maximum potential energy. Be identify and distribute. Be capable of securely holding and attached red tag. Be protected for inadvertent operation 1 plus. 1 plus include like disconnecting the airlines to a spring loaded value when the spring hold the value close. Removing the value handles attached lock tie wrap. Isolation 1 plus why it is critical. The primary means of isolation is the use of tag out system. WE must be protected people from the unexpected release of hazardous energy to prevent inadvertent operation of an isolation devices. We cannot engineer the human factor out of our plants or drop tools and inattentive work. These are going to happen. 1 plus must be effective. It is a layer of protection. Even manufactured design can wear, slip or fail. Feedback exercise. All isolating devices must have the following characteristics. Be designed and installed in order to isolate the maximum potential energy available in that part of item being isolated. Be protected by two other methods to prevent inadvertent operation of the device. If a value has the value handle removed, be secured by a strong locking device. When must an individual red tag system be used? When ever an individual requests it, when the scope of the work extends across more than one plant, when the work crew is authorized to use the individual red tag system, when not allowed, residual energy is released. Is this an example of 1 plus? The value is a location when it is not acceptable by ordinary means. For example, the value is in a pipe rack. In order to assess it, aerial or squeezer lift is needed.
Yeah. For example, if you have some tag, we want to open from there. There is required to some area layer or some platform. Then after that we can use to this. This was a 1 plus.
1 plus.
We removed to that machine, which one we are using for opening purpose. We put it a lot, but we remove to that platform from there. It means if we are going to open that one, we need to that device also. Source we require, platform we need, scaffolding we need, then we can open. This is a 1 plus. Understand?
Yes.
Easily we cannot open with that. Yeah.
In addition, there must not be any work in the vicinity of isolating values.
Yeah.
Isolation of energy. A good example of 1 plus, the 1 plus are the plastic covers, sometimes referred to as conch shell or brown nuts.
Yeah.
There you go.
Already we covered upside, we also put it to this one. Some tie wire, some covered like this. See, now this one is also, there is a wall, but we tie again. We put again extra something. Mean this is a 1 plus. They tie wire, this is a tie wire. You see the red one?
Yes.
That like a rope. This one is we put it to there. And we cannot open again. Must be, when we are going to open, we cut. Otherwise we cannot open by hand. That one is tie wire is there. Okay.
1 plus. Fuse pulls.
Yeah. From that panel, we taken out fuse also, the electrical panel. Okay. The other side, we put it to this ring, then put it up, and everything, then tie wire also.
Yes, it is.